The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law, and today we're going to answer some frequently asked questions about Guardian Ad Litems, also known as GALs, in child custody or guardianship cases. So a Guardian Ad Litem is a family law attorney typically who's appointed to represent the best interests of a child or a disabled adult in a child custody or guardianship case. So they're basically supposed to act independently. They're not hired by the parents or anyone that's got a stake in the case. They're an officer of the court appointed by the judge. And their job is basically to investigate the case and report as to the best interests of the child or the disabled adult to the court in order to inform the court's decision. So let's answer the first question, that is, who provides oversight of a GAL and who manages GAL assignments? So the GAL is appointed by the judge handling the case and will usually be selected from a list maintained by the county of preferred GALs. And every county court system has a different way to get added to that list if you're a GAL. The judge is ultimately responsible for overseeing the actions of the GAL and removing the GAL if necessary, and we'll talk about GAL removal a little bit later. But let's first talk about what does a GAL do in a child custody or guardianship case. For ease, we'll talk about child custody cases, but it's a mirror image or not a mirror image, but basically exactly the same in a guardianship case. So once the GAL is appointed, he or she will file an appearance, and then we'll receive after that copies of all the pleadings and motions that have been filed in the case, and that will be filed in the future as they are filed. The GAL is required to be present at all court proceedings, and typically what the GAL will do is conduct an investigation as to the best interest of the child or the disabled adult. There will generally be a home study in which the GAL visits the child's residence to meet and speak with everyone that's living there. There may be additional interviews with parents and the children. And the basic, again, job is to investigate the situation and come up with a report to the court as to what parenting situation will be in the best interest of the child. And then the GAL can be cross-examined by both parties about the report that they issue at the hearing for the case to determine what the allocation of parenting time and responsibility will be. So who evaluates a GAL's performance? There isn't really a formal evaluation method. However, the GAL can be removed based on the motion of either party if the party seeking to remove the GAL can show that the GAL has a bias towards one party or the other, a conflict of interest, or is failing to properly perform their duties. So they're not conducting the home study, they're not interviewing the people they're supposed to interview. It's rare to have a GAL removed, but you can do so by filing a petition to remove the GAL, and then there will be a hearing on the petition, and the court will determine whether the GAL is in fact biased or does have a conflict of interest or is failing to perform his or her duties. And in that case, the GAL will be removed and a new GAL will be appointed. So we have another article and video about just in general how Guardian Ad Litems work in both child custody cases and guardianship cases. So you can check that out for more information. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments section below this post at learn-about-law.com or below the video on our YouTube station. If you need some help, give us a call at 630-324-6666. That's 630-324-6666. And if you found this helpful, please subscribe to us on YouTube, SoundCloud, Apple Podcasts, or however you listen to your podcasts or watch your videos. Thank you so much for watching and listening.
Thanks so much for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Click the subscribe button for new videos every week, and download and review us on iTunes. Visit learn-about-law.com for other legal-related articles and videos. Visit our business podcast and video blog, seizeyourbusiness.com, and visit Making Real Estate Fun for real estate videos and podcasts. Call us at 630-324-6666 for a free consultation.